Duckie Land is our late night money bag alert, more so the MMETA token. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said out the way, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and the bell notifications lit up. We're going to be taking a look at these price predictions and technical analysis at the end of the video on this MMETA token. Okay, there's a price breakout. I always say volume is king, but just to do a quick little recap on this Duckie Land and just get everybody up to speed on it. We got Duckie features, we got collect, new Duckie is born every hour, and bidding lasts for 24 hours. So this is going to be a play to earn game, and more so than that, player versus player as well. We got breed. You can create your new generation of Duckies by breeding them with any other two Duckies they got. We got, like I said right here, player versus player, PvE, battle mode in next season, and win ultra rare rewards. Okay, so this is a real play to earn game. But the meta token is what we're going to be looking at the end of the video. We got farm, craft, and build, of course. But right off the top, we can see that the website is very clean. We got Duckie Racing, Duckie Land Racing. Takes all your favorite parts of multiplayer racing game and expand them to bigger and even gorgeous, challenging tracks. So this looks like they're going to be updating on the platform continuously, which is very important to keep people engaged, right? If you're not updating the tracks or updating the games, it's not going to keep people engaged. They must be doing something right, because when we look at these, when we look at this chart, you're going to see exactly why. We got Battle Royale, get all the excitement of real-time multiplayer Battle Royale games with your NFT Duckies. We got the football sector. For those who like to play soccer, we got Metaverse. So they're knocking it out the park when it comes to everything to do with NFT, marketplace, play to earn. This is exactly what you want to see. Instead of just one game, several different games. This is like one of the first times I've seen this, and it's probably why we're having this breakout. So we got the buy meta token, all right? We got the roadmap. This is also a docs team, all right? I'm going to have all these links down below. Do your own due diligence. This is not just automatically ape in, but there's something definitely going on. Volume is king, and volume never lies. Okay, we got a docs team, so shout out to the team. If you're part of this community or the team that's watching this video, if you guys want to get more specific content out to the community or the people on my channel, let me know so I can tap in with you guys and we can get that exact type of content out, right? But let's go ahead and check out their Twitter page before we get to these prices. I'm sure you guys are anxious to see. Also, the roadmap, a little bit vague, but like I said, they're making progress. I would like to see exactly what's going on, maybe some dates, but all you gotta do is hover over the little egg or whatever, and then you get to see what's going on. Now let's get to this. We got 99,000 followers. I actually see that it's followed by a fellow Shinja right there, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and like and retweet this. If you're part of this community, if you're holding these meta tokens that are having a nice little breakout right now, you're gonna want to come over here and show your support to the community on their official Twitter page. Now let's get to this money bag alert that we have right here. We have a low cap gem, right? We're going to look at this low cap gem, meaning we got $54,000 locked liquidity. And we're going to go ahead and dive right in. We got this zero threshold, which I believe is the new zero threshold. We see the amount of volume that's going to come in right off the top. Let's go ahead and mark this up right here. So this is that new zero threshold. This is going to be our setup, breaking above this and making a higher low above this 14 or 17 cents mark. And then we can see a break towards this 57 cents and maybe even testing $1, this psychological barrier, making a new line right around here. Because as you can see, when the token launched, it kind of pulled back right out the gate. Let's go ahead and make it auto. So this is where we're at. So the all-time highs were around $8, which is pretty crazy, seeing that we're right around this zero threshold that I believe right now at trading at 9 cents. That zero threshold was at 2 cents. And we can see that this area is going to be where we're going to want to set up above this, or even anywhere between here, because this is that area, that zero threshold where accumulation starts to happen. And we can see that this is the area we want to break out of, because this was a prior support right here. We can see that we held support here, and any prior support later on becomes a future resistance, as we can tell right there. And also a resistance later on becomes a support once we can find a higher low above this. We can see this one breaking out pretty substantial. I mean, on any time, let's go ahead and look at it on the 12 hours. So you can see the volume is coming in. There was a huge spike. Let's go ahead and look at it on the daily, and it's even more noticeable there. The volume has definitely stepped in. If we layer the chart and work our way down, Let's go ahead, auto really quick. We can see how much volume has actually stepped in. Okay, volume is king. The trend is your friend when you trade with the trend. So this is something that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. Of course, this is not financial advice. Just because I'm going to do it doesn't mean that you're supposed to be doing it. But this is where I'm going to be keeping an eye on the MMETA token, because a large amount of volume has stepped in. That volume has not exited this token whatsoever. And I think maybe everything that they have set up, we're both going to do our due diligence, is starting to grab some traction. So this is that, zero threshold. And let's go ahead and zoom back out, because it looks a little bit different. This is that zero threshold right here, the setup. That if we can get above this, we'll have a breakout. But as we can tell, they're trying to sneak in on us, but that volume has stepped in. We can see that right there, a large amount of volume. We can even add an indicator. Let's go ahead and add the SAR. I'm sure it's flipped that. Let's go ahead and add the MACD, and then we're going to make sure that you guys smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. As we can see, let's go ahead and zoom in. Yeah, that volume is just coming in substantially. We got the MACD line breaking out. Look at this. There's some volume coming in for sure. Okay, so I want you guys to smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. Leave some comments down below if you guys want me to keep an eye on this one. I'm definitely going to. But if you guys want to see more videos on this MMETA, I think there's going to be some money on the table with this one. And I also want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.